Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Hope you're all well. I'm good, just in case you're wondering. If you hear any noise, that's just cars passing by, because you know that's just normal. And yeah, let's get started. So it's really hot today, so no hair anywhere on my neck. I just can't do it, not with this heat anyway. So I think I'm gonna do maybe some flat twists into like a high bun kind of situation, and maybe some going forward to the front suit. I just like that suit thing. Anyway, let's get started. Don't mind me rambling. So I'm gonna use moisture, the Alakay Naturals moisture hair parfait, and Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel, some water and hairpins, and you know, the usual. So let's get into it. And this should literally take less than 20 minutes, to be honest. Especially if you're like really good at flat twists, and you know, you kind of know what you're doing. And the parts don't need to be straight. I'm not really aiming for straight parts. I literally just want something quick, easy, and good to go. And if you haven't noticed, I usually do my hair when it's stretched, or when it's been in like a previous style. I do style my hair after I wash it, but usually that's just to, you know, get it out the way. I'm not really into wash and goes, because you know, I'd have to re-wet my hair every day, and when you live in England, especially in the winter time, that just doesn't make any sense. So I usually like do braids or something after I wash my hair, or a bun, and then I'll do a style if I don't really want to wear the bun for like the whole week or so. That just works best for me. I'm just gonna add a bit of water. That way by the time I come on this section, it's like dampish, not wet. I'm sweating. It is hot. I swear, none of these cars ever want to pass until I'm filming. It's like a thing. Sabotage. They don't want me to be great. But hey ho, I can't exactly tell my neighbors, oh, don't go anywhere today because I'm filming a video, so I don't want all your noise. Well, I could, but I don't think they'll take me serious. Right. So I'm just gonna break this one into two, maybe, possibly. Maybe three. Yeah, I think three. Let's twist this. Move it out of the way. And guys, if you notice, I'm not scared to style my hair every week, every 2 days, you know, or to use a comb. At the end of the day, it's hair, and what's the point in having hair if you can't enjoy it? It grows back. I promise you it grows back. I've cut my hair so many times and it always grows back, to be honest. Just have fun, you know, just have fun with it. It's hair. Right, now we've finished the back. Now it is time to do the front. Oops. Right. Let's just get these out of the way. I'm just twirling it around, kind of how you do a bantu knot, and I'm just gonna pin it in place. And pin. Right, now for the front. Some moisture. This part. I think maybe I'll add 3 flat twists to the front. Now for the front, we're gonna do some flat twists coming forward for the swoop-a-doop-a-doop. Right. Let's do this. I want 3 twists, so I'm gonna do these 2 ones a little bit chunkier. And I should be okay. Twist. Now we've done that, I've just got something to do over this side. This twist right here is a bit too loose and it's gonna come out, so I'm just gonna redo it just a tad bit tighter so that it can, you know, last. Right, that's a little bit better. So we're all done twisting. Now let's see how we're going to pin this. Thirsty drinking water, guys. Alright. So I'm gonna twist this. Loose twist. Gonna add some water. And I add the water just for like added moisture. Like, I don't think you can have enough moisture, especially from water. It's just like you being thirsty, you drink some water. I feel like that's exactly how your hair feels, especially when it's really hot. Like my hair, when it's really hot, when I wear it out and I come back at the end of the day, my hair feels so dry. it's kind of like it's been roasted in the sun. So I'm always, even at nighttime, I might come back and spray my hair, you know, just to make sure that it's moisturized. Now we've pinned that section. Let's do the swoop. You could leave it like this actually if you want to. I mean, it does look cute, right? But I think I'm gonna pin it up just to get the hair, you know. Maybe I'll leave it like this, or I think I'll just loosely pin. What do you think? Down or up? I think I'm feeling up today, so I'm gonna pin this under this twist. And we're done. And we're done, guys. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye. This is how you dance when you know your hair looks bomb diggity. You have to like break it down, break it down, break it down, break it down, do the shimmy, do the shimmy, do the shimmy.